Okay, hopefully you are familiarizing yourself with Google Classroom and you have joined classes, you and your kiddo have joined the classes they need, which again is Hanson's Dragons, reading, writing, math. And you probably now are being inundated with notifications in that Gmail, or your child is. So again, let's just review. Let's go to Google. And over here to the right is your waffle. And your kiddo now has Gmail. So when they click on Gmail or sign in, they probably will have a lot of notifications because for Google, that's the default. It will automatically send you everything. And eventually, you'll want to turn that function off. And that's what I'm going to teach you today. What I'd like you to do is go ahead and click on your classroom. And I'm going to try to move my screen sharing over here so that you can see. And on the left-hand side where it says Google Classroom, you'll have 3 bars. Go ahead and click those bars and scroll down to Settings. When you click on Settings, there'll be a section where it says Notification, Emails, Receive Email Notifications, and that is toggled on. You probably want to keep that toggled on because if you toggle that off or turn that off, you will not receive any email notifications about anything happening in Google Classroom. And that may cause you to miss some important information. What I'd like you to do is scroll down where you see comments. Comments that mention you probably could toggle that off. Private comments on work. You might want to keep that one on in case I am talking to you about an assignment. Although, because we are working with younger kiddos and little kiddos and trying to reduce screen time, you may not have a lot of online submissions of work. You might use Mondays as the drop-off. Even if we're red, you'll probably still drop items off and have hard copy. Remember, you are going to get your math book, your reading, your social studies, and handwriting. Submissions of work, again, all of these could probably be turned off because you probably aren't. Well, this is for me, for classes I teach, so yours might look a little different. Sorry about that. I don't need any of these toggled on because you're probably not submitting work via Google Classroom, at least not right now. So just go ahead and go through all of these buttons and switches on your own page, and chances are you can turn most of them off, and that will help you in making sure that you don't receive too many emails from your Google Classroom.